Hi, my name is Dr. Christine Odland, and I'm a general dentist in Vancouver, Washington, which is right outside of Portland, Oregon. I've been a CAD/CAM dentist since 2006, which feels like a really long time, but a lot of time to just fall in love with it. The workflows with the CAD/CAM system just keep getting better, whether I'm sticking with the e.max CAD or even moving on to the ZirCAD Prime CAD blocks, which just make the systems more versatile. But we scan after we prep, of course, and then we are either crystallizing our e.max CAD. Now we're down to 11 minutes with our CS6 oven, which makes it so nice. Love the CS6 oven as well, so I can sinter if I'm moving into zirconia. I like my zirconia for those second molars, for those heavy bruxers, and I can integrate both my e.max CAD and my ZirCAD Prime together because the color just matches flawlessly. I don't have to worry about switching shades or going up one or down one. They just match. I know if it's going to be an A2 MT e.max CAD, then I'm going to use my ZirCAD Prime A2, which makes me just more confident in my delivery, confident in my choices of color matches, and with my materials. No matter the situation, we're incredibly versatile.